What's up guys, Eric Andrews, Detroit's Realtor here, and today we're going to be discussing the Grey Barn. Roll that intro. The Grey Barn from start to finish was pretty good. There were definitely a few places where you could tell where better materials could have been used, but the money was clearly spent in the kitchen and bathroom, and that's something I always recommend for my clients. So for what it was, meaning an Airbnb, people coming and going, high levels of wear and tear, I would highly recommend it. The landlord was great from what my girlfriend tells me and from what I experienced. Let's get into the tour. So my girlfriend and I headed to Cleveland for a Black concert. The concert was amazing. We thought a little old with the crowd, as he is a little bit more of a younger artist, but at the end of the day, he definitely has a more responsible message than his peers. So we definitely love it, and as you can see, so did the crowd. We were only there for a short period of time. We needed a place that was local, centrally located, and offered a relaxing space to unwind between traveling, social visits, and any other events that may have been daunting, things of that nature. The Grey Barn was just that. Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, just a quick call away. Another great thing I loved about the Grey Barn was the simple fact that the owner offered K-Cups, a Keurig, things that you might need in the morning. I had a hangover, so all I wanted was black coffee. So I was very excited when I was able to just hop right in the kitchen and then push the button, get my black coffee, and just kind of unwind in that space. Coffee, tea, happen to have the essentials that you need just to kind of get your morning started, which sometimes you have to kind of get up, get out, and try to find some, or order coffee on DoorDash or Grubhub or something of that nature. So it was very nice that that was already there. Didn't cost much to the landlord to do that, but it was definitely very impactful because, again, Cleveland surprisingly had a lot to offer. We visited Crocker Park, which is an outdoor mall with a ton of stores. Definitely hit H&M, gotta start with the best. And then we drove around, which was nice because the Airbnb offered a driveway that wasn't necessarily private, but exclusive. So parking during the visit wasn't an issue at all. Nothing to worry about there. Night 2. Second night, we went to Society Lounge, a bar that specializes in Prohibition-era cocktails. It was definitely a great place to visit. The thing I do love about Cleveland is the diversity it offers. It reminds me a little bit of a more developed version of Detroit. We had quite a few drinks, so you know the hangover was coming. Looking forward to my morning coffee, black. But the Keurig broke. Due to the creative thinking of the landlord, there was a French press available. Thank God. That ended up saving me. Prior, I didn't even know what a French press was, but I knew you used it for making coffee. And guess what? I learned how to use a French press. The fact that it was there was a lifesaver. I didn't want to get up, I didn't want to go out, I wanted black coffee and I wanted it immediately. So it was just a quick YouTube video away and I was able to figure it out. But guess what? Now I know how to use a French press and I figured out that it's way better coffee. But it was just simple amenities and luxuries that added to the convenience that we experienced when we were there. The place was over quiet, master bedroom, big bed, friendly neighbors, diverse neighborhoods, positive vibes, eclectic feel, minimalist, great couch and leather chair in the living room, great bedroom, king size mattress, memory foam, Bluetooth speaker, clean, quiet, granite counter in the kitchen, exposed brick, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, key code entry. We didn't have to meet with anybody. Landlord checked in and was very helpful. Beautiful bathroom, beautiful place. You should visit.